Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May peace be upon us all. Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, greeting of virtue. The Honorable Examiners of the International Conference on Teaching, Learning, and Technology ICTLT 2025. Good morning, Mrs. Ais Etirohiti, Mrs. Salbihana binti Samsudin, Mrs. Sheridwan Owen, and Mrs. Sarah Howard. In this special occasion, I am Hana Chunaya, a student of Magister Primary Education Department, IKIP Silwangi Cimahi. I would like to thank who have given me an opportunity to present about my paper with the title Developing a Problem-Based Learning Model Using the Interactive Canva Application to Improve Mathematical Critical Thinking Abilities. Well, my paper consists of four chapters. The first is introduction, the second is methodology, third is result and discussion, and the last is conclusion. Indonesia is currently undergoing the Industrial Revolution 4.0, which has ushered in an era of openness and globalization in the 21st century. Critical thinking skills need to be integrated into learning as a goal of the learning process because it can provide experience to be able to compete in the future. The result, the result of the 2018 Program for International Student Assessment, or PISA, survey released by the OECD, Organization for Economic Cooperation Development, show that Indonesia is ranked low in mathematics ability. Similar results were also seen in the TIMSS trend in International Mathematics and Science Study, mathematics result in 2015, Indonesia was in the lower category and ranked 44th out of 15 countries. 56 countries. Based on the result of interviews with fifth grade teacher in 5 elementary school in Purwakarta Regency. Based on the background of the problem, to improve the critical thinking skills of elementary school, it is necessary to study and develop an appropriate learning model. One of which is by using the PBL, or problem-based learning model, assisted by the Canva interactive application. The methodology in my paper, the research and development method, or R&D, is a type of research frequently used in education. R&D is a scientific process used to obtain data that facilitate research and production, developing, and validating products. The final product of this research and development is a problem-based learning model assisted by the Canva interactive application that has been tested, namely teaching modules, teaching materials, media, student worksheet, and assessment, with the research subject being elementary school in Purwakarta Regency. There are 10 steps R&D book and GAL. Steps 1 is research and information collecting. Step 2 is planning. Step 3, develop preliminary form of product. Step 4, preliminary file testing. Step 5, main product prevision. Step 6, main file testing. Step 7, operational product revision. Step 8, operational file testing. Step 9, final product revision. And the last step, dissemination and implementation. Result and discussion. Condition of the objectivity of mathematics learning in elementary school. based on the research and development that has been carried out in accordance with the Borg-Engel research procedure. There are 10 research steps. The first stage is the potential and problems. I'm from the interview result of that obtained data that all teachers in Purwakarta Regency. And two, the feasibility of the Canva interactive PBL model to improve elementary school student critical thinking skill. The second stage involve collecting various information related to teaching materials or supporting media. And then once the first stage, identifying potential and problems, and the second stage, collecting data or information, have been complete, the next step is product design. Once the product is designed, it is evaluated by experts. The design validation of this learning module was tested by 3 validators, namely 2 expert lecturers and 1 expert teachers. And the effectiveness of the PBL model assisted by the interactive Canva application to improve elementary school students' critical thinking skill. After the instrument has been tested for validity, reliability, difficulty level, and differentiating power, it is then applied in the learning process. The PBL learning model assisted by the interactive Canva application is validated and revised according to the input and suggestion of the validator. Then the model is ready to conduct a product trial. The product trial is to ensure the learning model is based on the response provided by students. The response provided are the result of the pre-test and post-test trial, applied simplicity test using the SPSS application to measure the increase the students' critical thinking skills. And the discussion in my paper, PBL learning model assisted by the Canva interactive application in mathematics subject in elementary school has been proven to have a significant impact on improving student critical thinking skill. According to Bariro et al. 2024, the implementation of 21st century learning in facing global challenge, teacher can create innovative and interactive learning by using Canva-based technology to stimulate student critical thinking skills. In Halimah et al. 2024, the application of this model was implemented by 5 teachers in grade 5 of elementary school in Purwakarta Regency. This allows students to be actively involved in the learning process by solving contextual problems that are relevant to their daily lives and in accord with the characteristics of the problem experienced by elementary school students. And the last chapter, conclusion. Based on the research present in the previous discussion, it can be concluded that this study produced a learning model assessed by the interactive Canva application on fraction material that can improve student critical thinking skill. The result of the feasibility tests were assessed by experts with the criteria of being feasible, and in the product trial, the criteria were obtained in effective to improve student critical thinking skill in small-scale trials. In large-scale product trials, the criteria were obtained quite effective to improve student critical thinking skill. The conclusion contains a suggestion that the PBL learning model assisted by the interactive Canva application is quite effective, improve student critical thinking skill. Then the learning model PBL assist by the interactive Canva application is only for fraction material. So it needs to be further developed in other materials in order to motivate and improve student critical thinking skill in the active learning process. The honorable examiners, I have present all the content of my final paper. That's all my presentation. Thank you so much for your nice attention. Well, I'm ready to answer the question and I hope I can answer the question as well as I can. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.